probably in, I don't know what that is there, B, probably B1. So Rob, what are you doing for the third time?
First time fixing this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you lied to him, huh? Lied to you.
The other side I fixed.
Oh.
This one's still a virgin.
Oh, shit.
I haven't had my coffee yet because I forgot it in the shop. Dang it!
Good thing you got your dip.
That's right. Little Canadian breakfast.
So, Twan, what are we doing this morning? For the 4th time in its history. Cleaning the floor. If only 4 times, that's not bad. I don't know. I'm going to put this. It's all going to be one super video, I think, here. I don't feel like making 2. Maybe I do. Fuck it. Yeah, well, this can be its own video. We're working on the 4440 this morning because Antoine wrecked the rear main seal. Fucking guy. He's out brake torquing it on Main Street. Actually, what's been going on here the last few days is engine oil disappearing. It's a totally all brand new engine. If you go way back in the archives, you'll see a couple clips of when we done all the work to it when I bought it. So everything's new. Turbo, crank, head, everything new. And it started losing engine oil the last few days. So brought it home, pulled the dipstick, and it's keep going right full. So wet clutch on these tractors. So the hydraulic oil is right to the back of the engine for the clutches to run in. And when your rear main goes, it starts to make hydraulic oil. So if anybody's looking for some homemade 50-50 premix here, we got a few pails of it. So it's Friday today, of course, when we've discovered this issue and started taking things apart. So what's going to happen is we're going to get it split here bright and early in the morning while the kids are in bed and Amanda's at work. And I'm going to phone every John Deere dealership between here and Yorkton except for the one in Redvers because they're a shithole. Ask for a rear main seal. They'll probably come out with a condom stuck up one of the mechanic's asses. So I won't be phoning them, but that's another story for another day. It's their fault the first 2 times it had to get split, so I'll just keep giving you Easter eggs and you can piece the stories together for yourselves. But I think what happened is, like they said, we never changed the harmonic balancers, so that was a pretty big issue. Fuck. So we're gonna get this split. I'm gonna try to find a seal and we're gonna have this thing back together by the end of today because we got to go baling tomorrow. So I guess talk to you in a few. Alrighty. Twan's just undoing the last bolts up inside the cab. How's that going? Would you rather waited to remind you about that till we were trying to push the halves apart? He said he was depressed after I told him we had to do them yet. Stuck in there now? Do you need a light? I'll get you a light. Alright, all unbolted. You just missed Antoine telling me about the letter he's gonna write them, telling them next time they gotta design their cab with the thought in mind that you're gonna one day have to kneel inside of it with a 1-inch impact to undo the bolts. Right? Right. Hit the wrong button. Okay, so, well, this jack's not even tight over here. Okay, I'm gonna let the tractor down, or the cab down a little then. Slowly but surely. Ready? jack is tight. Should be able to push on it now then, right? I think. See what happens. Oh goodness, is that ever zoomed in when the camera's recording? There we go. Good enough. We don't know what it looks like. Ready? We were really smart to put the gas in those three. Ready? Oh, no, something funny?
What?
Floor jack isn't moving with it.
Oh.
It's obviously not going to hit, though.
What's this? That weird? Just hanging there, isn't it?
What's that? Ready? Oh, we're gonna take that off if we can do it. Nice. And one of those is with it. Antifreeze is leaking into this pail of oil. Do we? Alright. Real nice. Okay, we'll just... There we go. Pull the clutch off of there now. And then the rear main seal is just a bolt on, so be all of 10 minutes to replace. And they have parts in Mooseman at RPM, the versatile dealership of all the places, but they're smart enough. Well, they sell parts for everything through A&I, and they're smart enough to know that there's 18 million of these tractors around, so they have a few parts in stock, the generic stuff, so that's real handy. So I guess I'll run up there and get parts here now.
Seal off your main band.
Okay, don't use any of Nature's Loctite on those ones. Look at that.
But you should be able to put these in and look at the fucking gap in there, eh? Wrong bolt.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Oh. Thought it was stiff for some reason. Say, now what the fuck is wrong? Oh, doesn't want to slide. Anyway, what we're trying to do is slide the little, the drive for your hydraulics. That goes in here, into the end of the crankshaft. Stiff. And maybe no go-y. Makes it easier to slide back together if you can slide it out, but it doesn't want to slide out, but whatever. It's the next day, by the way. I went and tried baling last night and it wasn't quite ready, and Antoine was cutting hay, so we never worked on this again once I got home with the parts. But rained a tenth last night, so it isn't going to be good till after dinner now anyway. So We've got the main seal back in and the flywheel back on and torqued. Now you just got to put a couple little dowels, bolts with heads cut off to hang the clutch on and get everything lined up, and then we'll tighten the clutch up and slide it back together, and a couple hours from now it should be driving out the door, so we will talk to you then. There we go. Back as one. Fresh engine oil, fresh transmission, all cleaned out, flushed out, ready to go. Just got to go to town and get a little bit more antifreeze. We don't quite have enough. We spilled some when we drained it, but got a little bend. Okay, back in a second. Somehow, unbelievably, in all the fucking around here, we bent the edge just a tiny bit where the rad cap goes on, but all is well now. See how many massive leaks it has. Gonna have to adjust the shut off there. It's a little bit too much. Okay. Try this again. We'll be back in a second. I ran to town and got some antifreeze while Antoine sorted out his shut off there because we didn't have enough. Bucket was even on sale. So was the rent pack. So get everything charged up again. Lost a little bit there when we split it, of course, but they got quick couplers under here, but you still lose a little bit. So top it up and she should be off to the races. So talk to you again here in a few. Well, that's not bad. Just a little over 36 hours later. Not obviously 36 hours of straight working on it, but 36 hours since it drove in here. Split, fully serviced, new seal, all new fluids, and icy cold air conditioning now. So anyway, I guess that's probably where I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna go try to do some baling here, I guess. Hopefully, Twan's got some hay cutting yet to do, and that'll be done, and that's kind of the plan. So I guess, thank you much for watching. Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe for more, leave a comment, and we'll talk to you in the next one.